What up guys, having Google Drive locally available into your PC like what I have here, like an extra drive connected to your PC is very cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that one, because if you have that one, you will have all your Google Drive files available to you simply like it's locally connected to your PC. So if I'm going to open this one, that is my drive. Every single content of my Google Drive will be synchronized here and I can use them locally available to me like a secondary backup. That's why if there are files that I have here, I can drop it in here, then it's going to be synchronized to my Google Drive. So anything happens to my computer, if it's broken, yeah, Google Drive has it automatically. So let's go ahead, I'm going to show it to you guys quick and easy. Just go ahead and open your browser. Then you type in Google for desktop, it's already there. I'll just press enter. Then you're going to be directed to the first search here. Then you would see use Google Drive for desktop, click this one. Now, for you not to do that one, I have a link on the description below, so you can go ahead and click that one. You will be just right here. Now, there are two options here, guys. It's either you do it for Windows and Mac. Now, we are using Windows, so I'll go ahead and click Windows. Now, there's a download for Windows button here. Go ahead and click that one. And on your upper right corner, you would see a progress of your download. Just click that one and you can see the status here. Now, it's downloading the Google Drive setup. It's around 302 megabytes. Now, it depends on how fast your internet is. You might download this one faster than me. I'm using Starlink, so it's a little bit slow, but it's fine. It's acceptable. So wait up. Once you are done, guys, just go ahead and click. Then it will ask you to install. Of course, we are going to install because that's what we want to do. Click add so that we have a shortcut on that app on your desktop and then install. Once you are installed, guys, you can launch this one. We can minimize this. Then just wait for a bit. Let's try to see what's going to happen. These four will be added: the Google Drive, the Google Doc, Sheets, and Slides. Like what you have seen on my computer earlier, you go to your PC, it will be added here like another drive. Then you can open that. Then all of your drive, all of your files from your Google Drive will be synchronized here and you can access them simultaneously, guys. Yes, that's how easy it is, guys. And you don't need to go back to Google Drive, open your browser. It's here like an extra drive that you have. So for me, I'm subscribed to 100 gigabyte storage on Google Drive, so I have it 100 gig. If you're using it for free, you probably have 15 gigabytes, okay? But even if you have 15 gigabytes, having that one into your PC, accessible right there, it's very cool, right?